So I'm using I did have this bolt in there. Now I'm using a longer threaded bolt, and it's doesn't have a shoulder like that other bolt does. See, this bolt has what's called a shoulder on it. So I'm using this one. Now I'm gonna drop my washer and yeah, the passive sub does not move very much at all because this came off of a subwoofer that was very, very tight. You couldn't hardly move it at all to begin with. It's got a very tight spider. So that's why I put it on this, and I'm getting some very, very deep, low, tight bass all the way down to, yeah, I'm feeling it. Now to turn these into passive radiator boxes. I'm gonna, find some blown speakers and do it again.